Hope, I know you went back to Nigeria. You want to make an impact, and I'm sure a lot of young kids looking at you as their own mentor. So, if somebody wants to get hired by you, what
Yep.
all things he can do? Because I know you are from Stanford. Are you looking for only Ivy League folks? What you are looking in people when you are interviewing them to hire, and
I
what a
love
kid
that
can
question.
do who's listening to us sitting in Ghana or in Nigeria?
I love the question. I always tell folks that the most important thing is to like really focus on a passion for technology and
Hmm.
like let that guide you towards what it is that you're most passionate about learning. The growth mindset and that culture has been incredibly helpful to me in my career. And I think that the two pieces of advice. Oh, hold on one second. Someone wants to
Sure.
say hi.
Okay. Hey, Tony, we were talking about you.
How you doing?
Good, good. How are you doing?
Still employed.
Ah, great. Still, still making trouble.
He's always still making trouble.
Just a little.
Yeah. Nice to see you.
I can't hear you. So.
Yeah.
Oh
Oh,
yeah,
okay. You
because I've got
cannot
my
hear me.
headphones. He
Okay,
said
okay.
nice to see you.
Oh, nice to see
Anyway,
Yeah,
you too.
I
Yeah.
figured I'd let you come and say hi, but we're almost finished here.
yeah. Okay.
Yeah, I figured it would be nice for you to say hi to him.
Oh,
Sorry.
yes. He is one of the, major force behind connecting us together. First
That's
time
true.
he
That's
introduced
true.
me to you. Yeah.
Indeed, indeed. Sorry, you were I was about to
We
answer
were
a question.
talking about the hiring and passion you were telling.
Yes,
Yeah.
the passion for technology is something that I found quite incredible. And I've met many folks who did not have a professional or formal background in computer science, and we've hired many engineers who did not get a college degree in computer science or electrical engineering. If you know how to code, and I think that you can be impactful on my team, I'm going to hire you. I don't really
Wow.
care where you went to college because if you can write code, you can write code. And
Right.
so I hired two engineers on my team. Well, they're actually computer vision specialists, and so they prefer to be called researchers. And they are both self-taught. They didn't go to college. They watched YouTube videos and read online free books, and now
Wow.
they like build their own CNN models and stuff, and like they talk about things that I don't even understand. And if
Nice.
you can find that kind of talent all over here, and
Mhm.
so it's very clear to me that if you want to find the best people, you shouldn't be focused on credentials, and you should
Mm.
instead be focused on their passion and things. And one area that I find really exciting is GitHub just released the state of the Octoverse, like how things are shaping up on GitHub. One of the fastest growing countries in terms of participation on GitHub. In fact, I think the fastest growing country last year was Nigeria. Um, and that's, I think, in terms of number of new repos created by members and participants. And I see GitHub fast growing as a place where when I'm talking to a candidate and I go to GitHub, for example, we have an intern, and I was checking out his GitHub and I was like, he sent a pull request into the TensorFlow project at Google and it was accepted. I'm just gonna go take a look at that code there, and like I've already done half my interview without talking to the guy because I saw the PR he sent. And there's lots of
True.
folks out there who have sent PRs to public open source projects, and it becomes visible. It's almost like GitHub is becoming another important component of the resume.
It is
Uh,
your resume now.
eh,
GitHub is your
and
resume,
so
I think.
that's
Yes.
another piece of advice I give to folks is like build up your GitHub profile, and it's also be conscious of what it's going to look like. Don't just have a GitHub profile that's like you created a bunch of repos, but go and for
Right.
repos that you find interesting. Like even if you just check in documentation updates, the fact that you found a
True.
bug in documentation means that you were learning something really deep. And I think there's a huge learning opportunity, which is really exciting. You can learn anything you want online. GitHub allows you to
Right.
play around and participate in the digital ecosystem of creators out there. So just getting in there and
Right.
letting your passion for technology guide you along the way and drive you, I think is my
Mhm.
number one piece of advice.
True. It's very, very good advice. Yeah, I'm also very firm believer of looking at GitHub than the resume because, I don't care you call it mark sheet, but I want to know what you do
Yeah.
beyond that when somebody is not forcing you to do something, right?
Mhm.
So awesome advice. Yeah.